to, but you can't choose who will give it to. And you simply can't write back to everyone, 'cause that would leave you so confused and harshly judged. And all of my dreams are in your hands. You hold all of my dreams and all my plans. So why don't you send me on my way? Love is like a letter wrote, and life is like an envelope. Be careful who you give it to, they might not give it back to you. And if everyone wrote back to everyone, the trees would disappear without oxygen. And all of my dreams are in your hands. You know all of my strengths and weaknesses.